बिस्मिल्लाह करो, हमारा रेस्टोरेंट का इफ्तिताह करो तो अपने हाथ से।
Iftitah means I'm going to open the shutter. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Nasrun minallahi wa fathun kareem. And right now I'm going to open the shutter of Shahi Biryani. Woohoo. So finally we are in the opening ceremony of Shahi Biryani. Let's open the door for everyone now. So the wait is over. It's a pure halal restaurant. So our restaurant Shahi Biryani has opened today. Shahi Biryani. So today is the opening ceremony of Shahi Biryani. I would like to welcome to all of you guys. You should come over here and you will find an amazing taste of Asian food, Indian food, Pakistani food and the pure taste of biryani. Biryani is our speciality. You can find every single food over here. The most taste delicious, yummylicious, I mean just looking and taste like a wow. Honestly speaking, I'm so happy and I'm feeling so proud.
He was doing this.
And yeah. Hello, Takar. So finally, the first biryani. Oh la la. Pure Karachi taste. You can never find anywhere in all over the UK. And the main reason of opening. Oh, the first customer is here as well. Oh wow. I was the first customer. He's the second one. Yeah. So the main reason of opening Shahi Biryani is that I don't want to see anyone who is sleeping with empty stomach. So that's why Shahi Biryani's main priority is to give you food, provide you food in quite affordable price. You can check all over the UK. You cannot find a food as tasty as Shahi Biryani with quite cheapest price. Honestly speaking, I am not lying. I'm not saying just because it's my restaurant. I'm absolutely truth about it. You can check the price anywhere else. So Shahi Biryani is the community for everyone. Every single person is welcome. You can come over here and try the biryani. Shahi Biryani. And it's not only biryani, you can find nihari, halim. So finally, it's the time to meet Shahi Biryani's owner. So there are two owners of this restaurant. So I'm going to introduce them right now. So the first owner, he's the head chef. He has done really hard work in his life. And honestly speaking, right now, he has opened his own restaurant. So that's why, and I'm so impressed with his journey. Just give him a big round of applause. None other than one and only Mohammed Saud. And now it's the time to meet the second owner. He is, I think he doesn't need any introduction. One and only my husband, Mr. Mubashir Nawaz Chandio. Okay, so both of you guys, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
And I bought a cake for both of you. So let's start the cake.
Bring it over, mate. Quickly. Otherwise,
Camera ऐसे का थोड़ा मुझे उल्टा कर पड़ेगा. नहीं ऐसे yeah. So we bought the cake for both owners and they are going to cut the cake now. So let's see. I have never tried the cake of this shop. This is from Polka. I hope you guys gonna like it. Look at the cake. Did you like the cake?
yeah. Chalo.
Okay.
Chalo, kate.
हाँ.
1, 2,
Two.
3, go.
Whoa!
Congratulations.
Congratulations! Opening ceremony of Shahi Biryani. It's a pure. थोड़ा सा क्यों डाइट पे क्यों है ना? खाए ना. माशाल्लाह से आप दोनों. It was my dream actually that my husband to open the restaurant, and finally he has fulfilled my dream. He has done really hard work as well through 17 years. When you came here in UK first, what was your first job? Please tell everyone.
Basar cutting.
Basar, how would they know basar? He was cutting the onions, honestly speaking. When he came first time, my husband told me the first job he got, it was the onion. He used to cut the onion in the restaurant.
How long?
Yeah, and afterwards he has improved a lot. He got a job in Halifax. He was a banking advisor. He has done another job in Boots, and then he has become an accountant. And now he is intermediate, and he's an investor as well, and he's the legal advisor of the firm as well. And the third profession right now that he has chosen, he has become the owner of the restaurant of Shahi Biryani.
Thank you so much.
Now let me show you the restaurant. Chalo. Look at the backdrop of this restaurant. Look at the wall. Every single interior. It looks absolutely traditional and antique. Because as you all know, even though I told you when I was showing you
There's
my
Iranian map.
it's a Persian culture. If you guys belong to, because we respect every single culture, country, religion, anybody can come over here. Right now in this wall, you can see it's whole Mohenjo-daro. This is called, you must have heard the name of Mohenjo-daro. Mohenjo-daro meaning is the city of dead people, isn't it? So yes, and Mohenjo-daro.
Mohan means mare hue, jo daro means.
Yeah, Mohan means mare hue means dead.
Sindhi.
Mohenjo-daro is actually a Sindhi name. It's a proper city in Pakistan. So Mohenjo-daro. Mohan means dead people, Jo means ka, Daro means sheher, city. Okay? And that's why the whole wall is kind of Sindhi traditional. And now this wall, actually this is my most favorite because I love vase, plants and all the thingy. Okay, so right now as you can see, this wall, and look at the top as well. So the fanus, as you all know that I love balloons, so the fanus is looking like a balloon thingy. Hello everyone, so today I am in the opening of Shahi Biryani. So finally Shahi Biryani has opened in West Ealing, and in front of me they are going to open the shutter and I'm going to be their first customer, and let's see the outlook of Shahi Biryani. But before opening this shutter, I would like to say something. In UK, I've been here for 17 years, and since 17 years I have never had biryani taste like a Karachi biryani. And honestly speaking, I have tried every single restaurant, but I couldn't find the biryani the way I like biryani of Shahi Biryani. So you all are missing Shahi Biryani, and that's why I've got a brilliant news for all of you guys that we have opened Shahi Biryani in West Ealing. And let me show you the little bit area so you can judge. Just opposite to Shahi Biryani, you can see the gym group, Dreams, and Dreams as well. And if you go, and Asda. Okay, and so Shahi Biryani is in West Ealing. Please pop in. Today is the first day and I'm going to be the first customer. I'm going to try it on. And I'm going to show you the owners as well. What do you want me to show? Okay, so now are you going to open the shutter? Okay. Oh my god.
You first customer.
I'm the first customer.
Yeah, you're good.
You can be second if you want.
You first customer, good.
So let's in. So in Shahi Biryani, you can not only get biryani, you can get the whole Pakistani cuisine. Grilled fish, chapli kebab, Jersey kadai, tawa chicken, tandoori chicken, and because it's an opening ceremony, so that's why you have got a special offer, and that is chicken biryani, only $3.99. Just imagine. And buy one get one free offer as well, and shish kebabs as well. So biryani, Jersey kadai, chapli kebab, grilled fish, whole Karachi cuisine, you will get it in one restaurant, and it's quite affordable price. So let me show you the menu. What is this? Lamb kadai? Okay. This one is chicken kadai. Tangri kebab, right? Tandoori chicken. And okay, we have
Bindi.
veg menu as well. This is okra.
Bindi.
Okay, bindi, something bhandi. Chickpeas curry.
Mixed veg.
Mixed veg or aloo gobi. Aloo gobi. Aloo matar. And
Tadka
this one
dal.
is tadka dal. Okay. Let me read the menu as well. So what do you have? So we have chicken dum biryani, 65 biryani, biryani meal, lamb dum biryani, egg biryani, vegetable biryani. And in starters we have chicken seekh kebab, lamb seekh kebab, chicken tikka, chicken wings, tandoori chicken, lamb tikka, lamb chops, malai tikka, chapli kebab, chicken drumsticks, chicken 65, chicken 65 large, mixed grill. And in veg we have dal mash, paneer fry, shahi paneer, chana dal, dal tadka, chana masala, dal makhni, aloo gobi, palak paneer, mixed veg, kadai pakoda, bhindi masala, aloo matar. And we still have lots of dishes. If I read it, so it's going to, my blog is going to be so long, so you can see all the dishes. And now I'm going to show you the decor of this restaurant, and afterwards we will meet the owners of the restaurants. Stay tuned. This is whole Mohenjo-daro. It's a Sindhi traditional. Sindhi thaqafat is here. And look at the decor over there. So beautiful, so elegant. I mean, just looking like a wow. Oh my God! Customer started. Hello. Hi. So boss is coming right now. Come on, the main owner of Shahi Biryani, Mr. Amar Mubashir. Congratulations, Amar. Okay, guys, how is the biryani?
10 out of 10. Beautiful.
Very nice, auntie. Very nice.
Did you like it? Brain, how's the biryani?
Very good.
Hey, how's the biryani?
Very nice.
Rohan, how's the biryani?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Good. Finally, I'm having biryani.
9 o'clock, 10. 10 is insane.
Delicious. You'll be loving it, like Pakistani biryani.
Over my mouth.
Thank you. So I hope you like this vlog, and thank you so much for watching this vlog. And I would like to welcome to all of you guys. Doesn't matter wherever you live, you can come over here. And are you guys going to give any discount if somebody takes my name?
Everything free.
Okay, if you're taking my name, so they will give you everything free. Thank you so much, guys. I'm just joking. You have to pay, honestly speaking. Bye, guys. Thank you. अब अंदर के रेस्टोरेंट में ले लें पूरा एक साथ ही आ जाए
आ जाओ
Customers have started coming.
Like spicy medium? High?
Spicy.
Sure?
Yes.
Okay, so I like this one. We could, maybe tomorrow we can.